Hello everyone, we are Liz and Harry from Keio Graduate School of Media Design. We are very grateful and happy to present our project Expressive Skin today at KAI 2021. These presentations will walk you through the research team, problem definition, target users, literature review and motivation, preliminary survey, competitive strategy for values, implementation process, prototype description, and the future outlook of our research. First and foremost, let's introduce the definitions of extensive immersion, which is a state of being motivated to crave creative self-expression, imagination, and to create a new lifestyle in the post-game period. This is the umbrella concept that encompasses all the aspects of the research. To create such an intensive immersion, we design Expressive Skin, an extended process that reflects its content from the virtual world onto the user's original body. What is problem definition? Why virtual reality makes you an insider of the game world? Literally, augmented reality allows the unreal meet the real through the smart device screen. However, in both cases, the virtual world is still unshareable and unlegible. Then, Expressive Skin must be a solution. Before going further, we would like to emphasize that our target users are not general humans with general interests. They must have an affinity with storytelling, always think of how the future will be, and love making human connections. We have done several steps, such as preliminary survey, literature review, user scenarios to reach the current phase, which is prototyping, high-fidelity version. We would like to emphasize on my literature review, which brought us a lot of motivation to design a concept for Expressive Skin. These are some projects that impressed us a lot. Live Jacket, a wearable integrated with multiple speakers that can surround user with live music by Hashizume. Reverse Case opening the VR world to the observers by Akira Ishii and Taichi Furukawa, my senior at Keio University, who designed Synesthesia Wear, a suit allowing users to walk freely in the virtual space and customize haptic feedback on their liking. From our study of these projects, we concluded 4 values that we want to deliver to users of Expressive Skin. The state of being there, immersing into the virtual environment with absorption, outward opening world, bringing the unreal to the real world. Social trigger, desire to share the feelings with others. Self-expression, self as an artist. We came up with a hypothesis by providing the users for values, state of being there, outward opening world, bring the unreal to the real world, social trigger, and self-expression. Through the design, users can achieve extensive immersion. With Expressive Skin, we want to introduce an alternative solution of immersion enhancement that settles a new gameplay style, at which gaming meets faction. Our prototype description shows an interaction between a game scene and a human player. Basically, in game, the characters being covered by fire. For example, with Expressive Skin, player can have bodies immersed with the illusions of the fire in parallel with the game scene. The Expressive Skin is to be 3D printed. Observers can interact with this interface, making integrated LED lights change colors. In overall, the Expressive Skin makes you a part of the game, extends the game world to your world, trigger your interaction with your observing friends, and allowing you to express yourself creatively. Looking toward to the future, we would like to continuously create more high-fidelity versions of prototypes until it becomes a product. Besides, we will start developing a game with a Japanese history theme, because story is a vital part of any immersive experience. This is the end of our presentations. Thank you for listening and warm support.